gophers, those seemingly harmless burrowing creatures. Beneath the surface lies a menace to gardens, lawns, and farms. Their appetite for roots and plants can wreak havoc on landscapes. A single gopher can undermine months of hard work. Controlling gophers requires understanding their behavior. This guide will help you use weevilcide responsibly. The goal is to manage gopher populations and minimize their impact. Before opening a container of weevilcide, familiarize yourself with the product label. It's your roadmap to safe and effective gopher control. The label is a legally binding document with crucial information. The product name weevilcide indicates it's for weevil control. It's also registered for gopher control. Pay attention to the directions for use. Precautionary statements are non-negotiable safety protocols. They outline potential hazards and required PPE. Ignoring the label's warnings is illegal. Read and understand every section for your safety. Locating gopher tunnels is the first step in effective control. Enter the probing stick, a simple yet indispensable tool in the gopher control arsenal. A probing stick can be as basic as a sturdy stick or a length of rebar, about 4 feet long. Begin by identifying areas of recent gopher activity. Look for fresh mounds of earth, often resembling small volcanoes, scattered throughout your lawn or garden. These mounds indicate active tunnels beneath the surface. Gently probe the ground around the mound with your stick. You're feeling for a sudden give or drop, signaling a tunnel. Once you've located a tunnel, mark it with a flag or stake. Continue probing and marking tunnels until you've mapped out the gopher's network of underground pathways. This mapping process is crucial for targeted weevilcide application. By treating only active tunnels, you minimize pesticide use, reduce environmental impact, and maximize control effectiveness. Section 4, Weevilcide Application, a measured approach. With gopher tunnels mapped, it's time to put weevilcide to work. Remember, this is not a task to be rushed. Safety and precision are paramount. Before handling weevilcide tablets, put on your PPE, gloves, respirator, and eye protection. Weevilcide tablets release a toxic gas, phosphine, upon contact with moisture in the soil. This gas is what controls the gophers. Carefully drop the prescribed number of tablets, as indicated on the label, into each marked tunnel opening. Do not break or crush the tablets, as this can lead to uneven gas release. Once the tablets are in place, immediately seal the tunnel opening with soil. This prevents the gas from escaping and ensures it reaches its target. Remember, the goal is not to saturate the ground with pesticide, but rather to deliver a targeted dose directly to the gopher's living space. Section 5, Safety First, Handling Weevilcide with Caution. Handling weevilcide demands the utmost respect for its potential hazards. The phosphine gas released from the tablets is highly toxic and can be fatal if inhaled. Never handle tablets with bare hands. Always wear your designated PPE, ensuring a snug fit on your respirator. Store weevilcide in its original container, tightly sealed, in a cool, dry place out of reach of children and pets. Never store it near food, feed, or other household chemicals. After applying weevilcide, thoroughly wash your hands and any exposed skin with soap and water. Launder your work clothes separately from other garments. Should you or someone you know experience symptoms of pesticide poisoning, seek immediate medical attention. Symptoms may include dizziness, nausea, vomiting, difficulty breathing, or seizures. Time is of the essence in poisoning cases. Section 6. Real-world scenarios. Applying your knowledge. Let's say you're dealing with a persistent gopher in your vegetable garden. You've tried other methods, but the mounds keep popping up. You've decided to use weevil-side. First, you read the label and note the application instructions. Donning your PPE, you locate active tunnels with a probing stick. You find 3 openings and mark them with flags. Drop the tablets into each tunnel and seal the openings with soil. Wash your hands thoroughly and store the remaining weevil side safely. Section 7, the final word. Responsible gopher control. Mastering gopher control is a multifaceted challenge, demanding a combination of knowledge, skill, and unwavering respect for safety protocols. The probing stick, a simple tool, becomes an extension of our understanding of gopher behavior, allowing us to pinpoint their subterranean highways. Weevil side, a powerful ally in our fight against these persistent pests, must be handled with the utmost caution. The product label is our guide, dictating safe handling practices, application rates, and environmental considerations. Remember, our goal is not to wage war on gophers, but rather to coexist peacefully. By embracing responsible pest management practices, we can protect our gardens, our health, and the delicate balance of the ecosystem we inhabit.